Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is the first Translate meeting. Translate is a collaboration across the universities.
So Bradford, Leeds Beckett, Huddersfield, York.
But we also have people from the NHS.
With some clinicians and some people from industry.
Then we have people from the professional services, the regulatory sector and policy people.
Working together to think about the future and how we can develop the Leeds City Region to become the lead for medtech in the UK and perhaps even globally.
What we have in the Leeds City Region is some real capability in that we've got large OEMs, we have lots of small companies, we have assets in the scientific base, and we have a very good clinical infrastructure, and with NHS Digital.
There's a lot of work going on, there's a lot of activity in innovation, and part of the Digital Health Enterprise Zone and Translate's objectives are to pull that together, make it much more than it is as component parts.
And sort of do something that's different in making those connections.
So this is really about putting the Leeds City region and the wider Yorkshire region on the map from a medtech point of view.
So Translate helps you find out what the problems are, put you in touch with people who are actually at the cutting edge of both the business and, in our case, the clinical need, and do that as quickly as possible.
I think Translate is the right name, really, because it is around translation. If everybody can move their area to the next stage, that means we're moving ideas into products and services and into the market so that they're utilised.
We certainly need to fill gaps around skills and training, particularly in digital skills, particularly in regulatory skills.
So you must work with teams. Different skills are important, and academically that's been the case for some time. I think in the world of innovation that is now the case as well, and I think you need to have all the players in the room, and you need to be talking to organisations who can bring them into the room with you.
The invaluable thing is being able to talk to people, being able to talk to Translate mentors, and being able to make connections with different companies, different individuals who've come along.
It's really exciting to hear some of the academics supporting Translate and saying how useful it's actually been in helping them translate their scientific research into actual product.
Leeds is seen as a beacon. There are other places that are strong. If we can draw the entire region together, I think it's a really good time and an exciting time to move forward. Translate
can triage you to the right people to help you take those next steps. I think it's that message that Translate is just part of a network of networks across the region who all talk to each other and are all looking to support the right innovations getting into the hands of patients.
The real key thing is to get involved, come along to the events and find out if there's an opportunity for you to take your world-class research to world-class product.